In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a music mailing list for sharing music with Constant Contact. To begin, open your sign-up forms area and locate your draft form for music. This is the form people will use to join your mailing list, so it is the foundation of the whole process. Make sure you are selecting the correct draft before moving forward, especially if you have created more than one form. Once you have found the draft, go to the right side of it and click the three dots. This opens a menu with more options for that form. From there, click Code. This is where Constant Contact gives you the sharing options you need in order to collect signups from your audience. You will then see the provided URL or embed code. At this point, copy whichever option works best for where you want to promote your mailing list. The URL is useful if you want to share the form directly on social media or in messages. The embed code is helpful if you want to place the form on your website so visitors can sign up without leaving the page. Choose the method that fits your setup and save or paste it where you need it. After that, move on to creating the email announcement. Click Create Email to start designing the message you will send out. This email will let your audience know that they can join your music mailing list, so keep the purpose of the message clear and easy to understand as you build it. Next, select a template and begin the design. Choose a layout that feels clean and organized so your call to action stands out. A simple design often works best for music promotion because it keeps the focus on the message and the sign-up opportunity. Now add a button block to the email. This is an important part because it gives readers a direct and easy way to join your list. Once the button is in place, insert the link to your new sign-up form. Double-check that the button sends people to the correct form before you send anything out. This small review can help you avoid broken links and missed signups. When everything looks right, send the campaign. Your audience will receive the announcement. Click the button and be taken to your sign-up form so they can join your mailing list and stay updated on your music. That covers everything you need to know.